today trendy topic on Twitter was I left you because bitch you was asking for too much because you fought while doing sex. My penis is this little and you want something like this. Because you always want to go on top, yo. Give me a chance. Fuck. Because I don't want to pay no child support money. Because your mother keep looking at me a freaky way.
Let's get it on. Let's get it on.
I left you because love lick, yo. Stop lick me. When you talk to me, no lick me. Talk, just talk. No slap, no. You wear the same panty 24/7. Your ear keep falling out. There's too much ear under your arm. I left because you was annoying. Bitch, if me tell you say me I go call you, me not go wait till me dead for call you. Me I go call you tonight. Your teeth yellow like light bulb per night. You fart too much. Me not say me don't like when you fart once in a blue moon, but you take it to the extreme. Adenikwe, Bokwe, follow me on Twitter. I got a big ass.com. What the fuck? I was just never your type.